All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. So as some of you out there may know, a few weeks ago I did a first impressions and unboxing on Shawn Mendes' signature fragrance. In doing so, I received a follow-up email from Elizabeth Arden's team saying, hey, we got another group within our umbrella who wants to send you some stuff. So short story short, I get an email from the PR manager over at Revlon saying, hey, we want to send you some of our new stuff. And you guys know what I said. I don't wear makeup. But all jokes aside, I'm sure not all of you guys out there are aware, but Revlon is kind of the distribution point for a lot of these fragrance companies out there. And they send me some of their, signature fragrances. Some of the ones that have been staples in their lineup and in their, most profitable fragrances for quite some time. So they sent me a box. I already opened it. In full disclosure, I already opened it, but I didn't open up any of the fragrances because I wanted to do it with you guys. So here we go. So here's the box. You guys can see inside of it. Fuck it. Most of the fragrances in this box are from the house of John Varvatos, or John Varvatos, depending on how you like to say it. And I wasn't aware that they were distributed through Revlon, man. I mean, maybe some of you guys out there were, but I wasn't. So let's dive into each one of these fragrances. We won't do a complete review, but I feel like I'm gonna give some of these away. All right, so if you guys wanna see a giveaway on some of these, comment below and say, hey, Big Beard B, if you're gonna give one of these away or two of these away, these are the ones that I think you should do. First one they sent me was Curved Black. Now, from my understanding, this is a 2017 release. I haven't had the opportunity to really smell it yet. You guys might have seen this on the 2017 fragrance pickup videos. Here you go, Curved Black. The second one they sent me was a classic fragrance. I mean, any of you guys out there who went to high school, I don't know what, right? I guess I was in high school around 2005. That's when I graduated. And my homeboy, man, he used to wear this all the time. Mr. Mikey McFly is his name, and he'll be on the channel one of these days. This is what he used to wear, man. He had like a room, and in the top of his room, it was like filled with curve bottles. He might have had like 70 curve bottles up there. And I don't think I'm exaggerating. He had a lot of fucking curve. Another one they sent me was Dark Rebel. Now, you guys know I did a review on this one. This was a hilarious review. If you haven't had the opportunity to check it out, then click here. Don't click there. Watch below. After you finish this video, I have it linked and listed for you. They also sent John Varvatos for Men. I feel like this was the first one. I'm not sure if this was the first one or vintage, but I feel like this was the first one. You guys comment below and say you're right or you're wrong. I don't know. You guys might know better than me. Now, one of the things that we've always talked about when we talk about John Varvatos fragrances is the performance, man. They smell good for like the first 3 hours or so, and then it kind of goes away. This one here they also sent as well, which is John Varvatos Vintage. Now, interesting story about all of these John Varvatos fragrances. Years ago, for I think Father's Day or Christmas, one of the two, my wife and I purchased my father-in-law like a sample set of John Varvatos. They had like, I think all of them that were out at the time. We were gonna allow him to try him and then pick the one he wants to get the full bottle. What we did not realize is that it was like splash bottles. So he had to like use his finger, and they were small as shit. So long story short is we ended up not getting him any bottles from that because he didn't use it. And I don't think he really liked them. It's neither here nor there. This one here is another one, Artisan Blue. Now, I don't think I've ever smelled this one out in the stores. When I go to the stores, they typically have like the vintage, they have the original, they have the Artisan Black, they have Dark Rebel, and Dark Rebel Rider. I've seen this in a few stores, but I don't know if I've actually gotten my nose on this one yet. Soon to come, unless you guys say I should give this one away. And then this one is Artisan Aqua. Now, so far we have 5 fragrances from them, 3 from the Artisan line. So I think they're winning with the Artisan line overall. So if you guys comment below and let me know what's your favorite fragrance from the Artisan lineup and what's your favorite fragrance from the John Varvatos. I know I'm telling you to comment a lot, so just put everything in one big post. Go back and edit it if you already commented, because I need to know. I need to know that you're paying attention. And then we got 2 more. We got 2 more in here. We got the original Artisan, John Varvatos. This is, we got that box out the way. And then this is the new one. I want to get my nose on this one because I think I was doing the hangout session with E from Simply Put Sense. They had Jay Copeland, myself, and we were on Kevin Samuel's channel. And I think E mentioned that he wanted to get his nose on this one. Oh, he did get his nose on it and thought we all needed to. So I have it now. I'm gonna try it out. Oh, this is a live first impression. This is the box. I did my part. I showed you the box. One thing that I always thought was cool with these John Varvatos fragrances was the wicker. Like, I think that's cool. I don't know the story behind the wicker or why it's there or why they opted to do that, but it's kind of there on all of the Artisan bottles. It's wicker. I think Dark Rebel has like a black wicker. Dark Rebel Ride, I think, is the exception though, because it has a jacket, which is weird. Let me show you the bottle first. How about that? So that's your official presentation. You got this wood cork-like top here. John Varvatos Artisan Pure written on the front. And that's your distribution. This one is like a clean. It's like a clean, woody, citrus scent. I can definitely get the undertones of the original Artisan in there. I always feel like these have grape in it. I'm not sure if it does or not. I need to look at the notes, the official notes on this one to see, but I feel like there's some grape in here. I know that would be weird if it does, right? I think this might be my scent of the day tomorrow. So far this is a good fragrance. I'll go ahead and get my nose on it, do some real testing, real performance on this one, and let you guys know my actual thoughts in the official review. So comment below and let me know which one of these fragrances here do you feel like I should give away. Maybe one or two of these I'm gonna give away. I definitely think maybe Dark Rebel Rider needs to go. I already have it in the collection. I don't think I'm gonna go through it. I have a few fragrances that fit this same category. You know, I got Tuscan Leather, I obviously have Dark Rebel Rider, and a few other smoky fragrances and leather-based fragrances that I think will work. So this one might be going away in a giveaway. You guys let me know what you would think, or would you like this one in a giveaway. So with that, we have 5 remaining fragrances to do in the giveaway. The next giveaway will be at 20K. All right, so we just hit 17,000 and 20K will be when we give the next full giveaway. I have a lot of special things planned for that. So these fragrances here will probably be a part of the entry or the lower level giveaways or the lower level prize winners, just so everyone has a chance. So here we go again. You got Artisan Aqua, boom. You got John Varvatos, the original one. You got the original Artisan. We have John Varvatos Vintage or Varvatos Vintage, however it's pronounced. You guys let me know if I'm saying this incorrectly. And then we also have Artisan Blue. So those are the fragrances that I'm thinking about giving away. You guys comment below and let me know, and I won't open them yet. Maybe we'll wait a week after this video drops before I touch any of them to actually do reviews on them. So let me know what you guys think, which ones I should give away. Artisan Pure is coming soon in an actual review, and that's all I got for you guys today. So comment below, let me know how you guys feel about these unboxings, these giveaways that we got coming up, and thank you guys for making all this possible. I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and we back again. And hit the goddamn bell.